everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for absolutely no cost. Yes, so in this video I will be using this amazing software Pabbly Chatflow, with the help of which any business owners can create AI assistant that will automate your WhatsApp inquiries from your customers or leads. Whenever they will send a query, this AI assistant is going to automatically reply. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's dive into first how this AI actually works in real time. So what I will do is I will show you my phone screen and I will ask certain questions to my WhatsApp bot that I have created and check whether this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my queries or not. Okay, so let me show you my phone screen. So you can see this is my phone screen and this is the bot that I have created. I have my first question to this bot. So let me write the question, that is, are Lushberry products authentic and safe to use? Okay, so this is the question that I have asked. I will wait for this AI to reply to me. It will take few seconds for the reply to arrive, so you have to wait. Okay. And here is the reply that I have received. Okay, let me read the reply. Yes, Lushberry products are 100% authentic and safe to use. Key points: we source products directly from certified brands and authorized distributors. You can see I have received this long reply right here for this question that I have asked. Okay, so I have my next question, that is, do your products have an expiry date? I'm just asking this question. I have a beauty and a skincare product brand, and that is why I'm asking these questions to this bot. Okay, and my business name is Lushberry. Let me clarify that. Okay, I've received the reply. Hello, yes, every skincare, hair care and makeup item from Lushberry includes a clear manufacturing and expiry date printed on the packaging. Please check it before use and store products in cool and dry places. Okay, I have received this next reply. I have my last question left, that is, do you offer sample sizes? Okay, so this is the question, the last question that I have. So I will wait for the reply right now. It will take few seconds for the AI to reply back. Okay, you can see I've received the reply. Yes, selected Lushberry products are available in mini and travel sample sizes. Availability is listed on each product's page. You can see right here I have received the replies over here on my WhatsApp from this AI assistant to all my queries. So this is how this AI assistant is going to work for all of you, and in this video I will teach you how you can build this AI assistant for your business absolutely for free. Okay, simply for that what you have to do is you have to simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you, where you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us and you want to test out this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for no cost, sign up for free. From here you will get 100 free credits, with the help of which you can create this AI assistant. Okay, now one thing, if you like using Pabbly Chatflow and you want to automate your WhatsApp conversations using this amazing software and you want instant discounts on your purchase, check out this code I've added right over here that will get you instant discounts on yearly and lifetime deals to automate your WhatsApp conversations with us. Okay, so now sign in from here directly if you already are a user, or create an account. Then as I want to access Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button on the All Pabbly Apps section, and you will see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now if you want to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, how to add your WhatsApp number, your business number, what are all the features that we provide in Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below that will let you learn about what Pabbly Chatflow is and how are the features used. Okay, so go and check out those videos. Now what we are going to do is, as I want to create an AI assistant, I will go towards this AI assistant section directly. After coming to this section, click on this Add AI Assistant button and name your AI assistant. For that I will write it as I build a WhatsApp AI assistant for free. That's the name I'm giving. You can name your AI assistant according to your requirement. This page is then going to appear in front of you, and it's super easy to create, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. We have to just fill in certain sections and the AI assistant is going to be created. First we have to select the instruction type. For that I will select over here as AI agent as my instruction type. You can select any other instruction type according to your requirement. As per the type you have selected, the instructions, that are the roles and responsibilities of this AI assistant, is going to appear right here. If you want to eliminate or edit any of the points over here, you can definitely do that according to your business requirements. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1, 0 being focused replies from the AI assistant, 1 being very creative ones. I want the reply to be in middle, that is why I will select the temperature as 0.5. You can select the temperature whatever you want. AI to use, we currently have the option of OpenAI only, so we will select OpenAI right here. Model will be GPT-5 mini, you can select other model. And next it is asking for the API key. Remember, the OpenAI account that you're connecting with Pabbly Chatflow should be a paid account in order to create this WhatsApp AI assistant. Unpaid account won't be able to send replies to all your leads or customers' queries on WhatsApp. Okay, so now we have to enter the API key from our OpenAI account, our paid account. For that, go towards this hyperlink directly. We have provided that to you. You log into your OpenAI account, click on this create secret key button, name the key as per your requirement. I will write over here as new key 666. For the project, I will select default permissions, give all the permissions. You have to do that as well. Copy this key, paste over here in the field, click on this connect button. That is how this AI assistant is created. Okay, next it is asking for the AI assistant settings. If you want header, footer, message, stop keywords, if you want to add them, retry attempt, you can toggle the button on according to your requirement. Fallback message is only going to be forwarded towards your leads or customers on WhatsApp if this API key that you've entered is not working properly. You can see it's mentioned. If you want, you can edit this message as well. Okay, so now after setting up our first section, AI instructions, next section is important, that is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a documentation where you explain what your business is about. I have created a knowledge source, that's a knowledge base where I've entered what my business is. I have entered every single thing right here. What are the services that I provide? This is a 21-page knowledge base I have created. Knowledge base I have created in which I've explained every single thing. My services, what are the products, types, prices, everything has been mentioned. This is a small knowledge base, a test knowledge base that I've created to show all of you. If you have a business and you have to explain your business in a very long file, you can definitely do that. You can add n number of pages with text. Like I have 21 pages file, you can create 121 pages file to explain your business. Just remember, there is one limitation. You can add two types of files, txt and pdf. No page limit on text pdfs, but if the pdf has images, it has the limit of 10 pages. Remember this point. Okay, so create a very detailed knowledge base over here, and to upload it, click on this button right over here, and this is my knowledge base that I've created. I'm going to open it, and as I will open it, you will see under this knowledge sources section, you will see that file that you've uploaded right here is going to be updated. You can see the same knowledge base. You will see the vector ID that will show that the file has been uploaded. Knowledge source section has been completed. Now next it is asking for what? Assistant interface. Not only this assistant is created for WhatsApp. What if you want to add this assistant on your website directly, so that from your website the leads or customers can directly contact this AI assistant? You can do that with Pabbly Chatflow as well. We have two sections in order to edit the things like add your brand name, change this line, change the message, change this powered by Pabbly, or add a footer link. You can definitely, and also change the colors. These two sections are there for you. If I want to add a brand name, my brand name is Lushberry, so I will write over here as Lushberry. So you can see it has been updated. This is how the interface is going to look like. If you want to change the message, add an initial message, 2 are the limit. Over here, if you want to enable and disable powered by Pabbly, add the footer text according to your requirement with the link. So you can edit all those things right here. Now next is users first message. What is this thing? Let's suppose the lead is directly contacting your AI assistant on WhatsApp, not through the website. What will be the first question usually asked by the lead? You have to enter that first initial message over here. I will skip the part. I don't want that. I don't want to change it. Okay. Next is styling. If you want to change the colors of this AI assistant or the backgrounds or the images according to your requirement, you can definitely do that according to the branding that you have of your business. Okay, so this is the section for that, dedicated for that. So the AI has been created. WhatsApp AI assistant has been created. It was that simple. Just fill in certain sections and your assistant is there for you. As now this has been created, to activate this assistant, toggle this button on and save the assistant from here. AI assistant will be saved successfully. Now if you want to add this AI assistant on the interface like this, go to embedded, you will find the script, copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and this assistant will be added there as well. So as now this assistant has been created, we'll test this assistant again by asking questions to this AI assistant on WhatsApp from my phone. Okay, so let me show you my phone screen again. So this is my WhatsApp, and now on my WhatsApp I will ask my first question, that is, can I get help choosing the right product? Okay, so I will ask this question right over here to this this bot. I'm asking for the help to choose the right beauty product. Okay, so I will wait for the AI assistant to reply back to me. It will take few seconds. I've received the reply. Yes, absolutely. Our AI assistant can help you choose the right product based on the skin type, hair concern, or beauty goals. Okay, so I will add my skin type, let's suppose as oily skin type. So I will enter oily skin type, and my product category is going to be skincare. So I will send this option that I have selected right over here, oily skin type and skincare. Now let's see whether I am receiving the reply from this AI assistant related recommended products related to the things that I have selected or not. Okay, I have received the reply right here. Great. Here's a simple efficient skincare routine for oily skin using Lush Berry products and what you want to look. Cleanse, you can see I've received this cleanse, tone, moisturize, sunscreen. I've received weekly extra what Lush Berry offers. You can see all the products are written right over here. I have received the reply according to the skin type that I've selected as well as what I want. I want skincare, so I've selected skincare. So I've received the reply related to skincare right here on my phone. Okay, I have one last question left to ask this AI assistant, that is, can I track my order? So this is the last question I'm asking towards this bot right here. So let's wait for the reply now. I have received the reply. Yes, you can track your order. How to track once your order is shipped? We'll be sending tracking link via WhatsApp and email with real-time updates. So I am receiving the reply successfully from this bot right here. Now as I'm receiving the replies, this means this AI assistant has now been created. Now what I want is, I want this AI assistant that I've created should be auto-enabled for all the contacts who are sending me WhatsApp messages on my Pabbly Chatflow account. In that case, simply go to settings and inbox settings section right here. In inbox settings, what you have to do is scroll down till the end. You will see the option AI auto reply settings. Enable this option from here. Select the contact list to whom you want to auto enable the AI assistant that you have created. I will select all contacts. You can also select a specific contact list that you have created. And for the AI assistant, select the assistant. Only the activated AI assistant will be appearing on the drop down right here. So select the AI assistant from this and save this rule from here. Now to all the contacts, this AI assistant will be automatically enabled as soon as they're going to share the question to you. Okay, now what if my case is I want to enable this AI assistant to a specific contact only, not to all the contacts with this option? In that case, what you have to do is go towards the inbox section. So after coming to the inbox, select any of the chats that you want. Under the phone number, you will see the option choose an AI assistant, toggle the button on, and from the drop down, select the AI assistant that you have created. And automatically towards that chat, the AI assistant is going to be assigned. That is how individually you can assign the AI assistant towards your lead or customer. Okay, so as now I have created this AI assistant successfully, this is how simple it is to automate your WhatsApp conversations with AI, and you can create this assistant right away absolutely for free to test out how this AI assistant is going to work. Okay, now if you have questions or doubts related to this AI assistant or any other questions that you have, you can comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Use the code again to purchase our lifetime deals or yearly plans to get instant discounts. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.